Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ways to add Google AdSense to Shopify. To add Google AdSense to Shopify, you'll have to follow these steps. Now, first thing first, what you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet connection. Now, step one, you need to go to the Google AdSense and sign up for an account. Just follow the instructions to fill in your details, including your website of your Shopify store and payment information as well. Moving on to the step number 2, once your account is approved, log into your AdSense dashboard and select advertisement from the left hand side bar. By selecting advertisement unit, next you want to go ahead and select by advertising unit. After which you need to go ahead and create new ad unit section. Select the format of your ad and then give your ad unit a clear and descriptive name. This will help you easily find it later. Now, when choosing the ad size, I recommend sticking to the responsive options. This allows the ads to automatically adjust its size to fit your page layout, and your user device ensures optimal display and performances as well. Then, after customizing it to fit your preferences, click on the create button at the bottom of the page. Now copy the code Google provide, then click finish. Once you've actually done it, now if you want to add the Google AdSense into your Shopify page, you can log into your Shopify admin and go to the online stores. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the themes option, after which you want to go ahead and select the button next to your current theme and click on edit code. After which, in the theme.liquid file, paste the code's snippet exactly where Google instruction indicate. Here, put it between the body and tags of a Google guidelines as well. And if you want to add the code to your post or a blog post, go to the online store blog post, click on the existing blog or create a new one. So with this, you'll be able to add Google AdSense to your Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.